My name is Julie Garner. We're here on Conestoga Lake where my husband and I and our 3 daughters have had a property for the last 10 years. In 2020, we rebuilt the property and created our dream place. We absolutely love it out here. It's always been our happy place, and kind of being outside, being on the water, and being able to share a place with our family and friends was our goal. When we come here from the city, we completely unwind and we're able to just be together with the family, be together in the fire, and really create those moments that we'll remember forever. So the space that Landscape Plus has given us has allowed us to really entertain the way that we want to. We host big family gatherings here on a regular basis, and we're able to really enjoy our family without feeling cramped. People aren't rushing to leave because they've been uncomfortable for 2 hours. This project has really transformed how we're able to entertain with our family and our friends. The fireplace was an easy one for me because I love the look of the stone, but when we saw the overall landscape design, there was a mix of materials. So we had the dry stack wall, which is on the fireplace behind us, but we also had patio stones for the patio area, and then a different type of material, flagstone, being used in the lower patios. And I was really concerned about how all of these things were going to go together. But I have zero vision for these types of things. I can't picture anything. I knew kind of conceptually what I wanted it to look like, but I had no idea how to make that happen or how to integrate the different levels, steps, etc. And so from the vision standpoint, I think without them, I would have ended up with a square patio instead of stairs down to the lake, and what I have is so much more than that. So we've got a sound system that actually carries from the inside to the outside. You can adjust the volume in different zones and have it louder in the patio and the outside. But the beauty of being able to walk in and walk out seamlessly is amazing. The lighting, I didn't think that we needed that, but the property is kind of lit up, all the steps are lit up, and I have to say that my favorite thing at night is walking down to the campfire and stepping down on those lit steps or seeing it from kind of below. All of the other spaces that have been built into the property also have really special attributes. In the mornings, I often go for a swim and then have a hot tub with our youngest daughter, and we chat and talk about what our days are going to be like and all of the other things that are happening in her world. The project actually went really smoothly. I would say that some of the things that they were anticipated are the scheduling of different types of contractors, and we're Canadian, so the weather was a bit of a factor. But I was really pleased that when the weather was good and the conditions were good and we had the suppliers, they were absolutely fantastic. The quality of work is exceptional. I mean, I have these beautiful steps that you walk down and you just feel like it's absolutely a luxurious experience. They were here to fix any issues that happened, really respectful to my neighbors, which was hugely important. Never started the project too early, never went too late in the day. From a quality standpoint, it's an exceptionally professional looking result, and I'm really, really pleased.